Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexForNoobs.com with the Forex for Noobs weekly analysis for week starting Sunday the 27th of October 2013. You're looking at a GBP USD 8-hour chart, and in today's analysis I'm going to show you some strong support and resistance areas where we could possibly expect some reversal trades this week. I'm going to start with the resistance areas. Resistance areas are areas above current price, and they're areas in which we expect short reversals. So we expect to go short on a short reversal trade. So the first resistance area we have for this week spans between the 16230 through to the 16270. So it's this one here. Now this is a pretty strong resistance area. I was away last week. I could not trade last week, but it looks like we possibly got a reversal trade here last week. This reversal trade here. I'm not sure if anyone actually took this one, but it looks like a pretty decent setup, and I don't see why someone wouldn't have taken this one. It looks like a pretty good trade. So there was a reversal trade from this area last week, and there was another one recently here. This one didn't hit its full target, but it certainly hit its half target. So the stop loss probably would have been moved to break even, and this would have been a profitable trade here too. So this resistance area has some pretty good history. Also rejected price here last week. This wasn't a reversal trade on the 8-hour. It might have been on the 4-hour. I'm just going to quickly switch and we'll check that out. No, it wasn't a reversal trade on the 4-hour either, but price was definitely rejected from this level. So what does this tell us? It tells us that sellers are very, very strong in this area. Sellers are all grouped up here, and there's lots of sellers grouped up here, and they have quite a strong presence in this area. So if this week buyers try to push up into this area and we see some indecision forming in this area, we could possibly enter a short reversal trade like last week. That's what happened last week. Buyers pushed up into here, we got indecision, this candle here, and there was a reversal trade here. So we could see something similar this week. So the first area for reversals, for short reversals this week, spans between the 162.30 and the 162.70. Watch out for that area. Okay, the next reversal area we have is the 16400 through to the 16440. This one here. This is a pretty strong resistance area. If buyers manage to push up into here, I'll be looking for some indecision candles to form, and I'll be looking to enter a short reversal trade. The next area is the 165.50 through to the 165.85. This one here. This is another strong resistance area. So again, if buyers push up into this area, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision here. And I'll be looking to enter a short reversal trade. Now, if you don't know exactly what I'm looking for, you can get a link to my free strategy below this video. The strategy is completely free, and you'll figure out and understand how I actually trade these reversals by going through the strategy. Okay, so now we're going to look at some bullish reversals. So we're looking at support areas. Support areas are where buyers are grouped, and when price hits a support area, we could get a bullish reversal trade. The first support area we have is this one here. Now I probably won't be looking for a trade from this one because the preceding trend is the trend that leads into the support area. It formed last week, and I don't really like taking trades where the preceding trend formed last week. I want the preceding trend to form in the same week as I actually take the trade. But this is a support area. It spans between the 16110 and the 16100 and the 16140. So this support area is quite strong. We got a bounce from it last week. This wasn't a tradable reversal, but it was a nice bounce, and then we got another bounce and another bounce. So clearly there are buyers grouped in this area. Buyers have a strong presence here. If price moves away from this area and then comes back down to it, so we get a new preceding trend heading into this area, then we get some indecision, I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade from this area. Okay, so the next area we have is the 159.85, the 159.85 through to the 160.15. That's this area here. Again, this is a pretty strong area of support. We've had some bounces from here in the past, recent past here. Here too, we've had some bounces. So this is a pretty strong area of support. There are buyers grouped down here. If sellers manage to push down into here, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision so I can take a bullish reversal trade. And finally, we have the 15875 through to the 15900. This one here. Again, this is a pretty strong support area. We have some bounces from it in the recent past. So if sellers manage to push down to this area, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision, and I'd be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. So that is the weekly analysis for GBP USD this week. Even though this analysis is on the 8-hour chart, these support resistance areas are equally as valid on the 4-hour and the daily chart. So don't worry too much if you don't have access to 8-hour charts. I personally prefer 8-hour charts. They're really, really good. But my strategy works on 4-hour charts, daily charts, and people use it on hourly charts too. So it doesn't really matter too much where you're using them. These support and resistance areas are valid across pretty much all the time frames. But I wouldn't go lower than the 1-hour charts because price action tends to get a bit messy when you drop below 1 hour. Ideally, you'd want to stick to 4-hour and above. Most people in the advanced course are trading 4-hour, 8-hour, and daily, but the majority are trading 8-hour and daily. So try to stick to 4-hour, 8-hour daily if you can. But that sums up the weekly analysis for this week, guys. I'll try do some analysis on another pair sometime later this week. So have a great trading week, and I'll see you guys on the site.